I'm here with Travis.
Yep. Don't bounce him. Let him bounce himself.
But he's dancing.
He's dancing. He's a little small fry. Aren't you, Travis? Aren't you? See, I don't know what to do. Yeah. Uh-oh. Are we getting grumpies? Aww.
It's okay.
He likes you talking to him. Oh, he says, I want my sissy to talk to me.
It's okay.
What's it? Are you going to talk to him? Be gentle. Don't pull on it, okay, sissy?
I made a silly face.
You made a silly face?
Now watch.
Okay. Where's your silly face? You're silly.
What are you making?
I'm making a movie. So we can show Daddy. Uh-oh. Travis is bouncing all around in a circle. You're going to get yourself all tangled up, buddy. Hi. Hello.
He's dancing. Like a princess.
Look at them little legs to move. Yes.
There we go.
Uh-oh, it fell down. That's okay. We'll fix it later.
Yeah.